"2026 isn't just bringing us new cars, it's bringing rolling mansions, supercar-inspired beasts, and futuristic spaceships on wheels. These are not your grandma's RVs. These are the top 5 luxury motorhomes that will change the way you think about travel forever. Welcome to Upnext 227, your front row seat to the future of motorhomes in the USA. Minibus sparkles from jaw-dropping luxury RVs to never-seen-before upcoming models, we reveal it all. Don't miss out, hit subscribe and let's roll into the future together. Today, we're diving into the top 5 upcoming luxury motorhomes of 2026, and I'm telling you, this list will blow your mind. We're talking about giants in the automotive world: Toyota, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Prevost, and Volvo, all bringing their A-game into the luxury motorhome arena. Each of these rigs combines innovation, power, and comfort in ways we've never seen before. So, buckle up because we're about to take a ride into the future of motorhome travel. Let's start with the one that has shocked everyone lately, the Toyota motorhome. Now, I know what you're thinking. Toyota is best known for their reliability, their SUVs, their trucks, and of course their hybrids. But a massive futuristic luxury motorhome? That's a bold move, and they didn't hold back at all. The 2026 Toyota motorhome looks like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Its design is sleek, almost spaceship-like, with huge panoramic glass panels that wrap around the front. The aerodynamic body practically slices through the air, and the oversized futuristic wheels look like something borrowed from a concept car show. But this isn't just about looks. Toyota packed this beast with hybrid power, blending their proven electric and combustion technology to create a motorhome that's both eco-friendly and powerful. Imagine cruising up a mountain pass without the engine screaming, because the hybrid system handles the torque so smoothly. And then picture pulling into a quiet campsite and switching to full electric mode, so you're running silently with zero emissions. It's the kind of feature that makes this motorhome not only futuristic, but practical for long-term travelers. Step inside, and Toyota has gone all out. We're talking about an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Plush leather recliners, a full-size kitchen with smart appliances, and a bedroom that rivals a 5-star hotel suite. And the tech inside, absolutely next level. A voice-controlled system handles everything from climate to lighting to entertainment. The panoramic glass windows are smart tinting, meaning you can adjust the level of privacy with just a tap. Pricing-wise, Toyota has positioned this motorhome to compete with high-end rigs, but still slightly undercuts the European luxury giants, making it one of the most accessible ultra-luxury motorhomes in 2026. Compared to their past models, this feels like Toyota jumped 20 years ahead. But if you think that's wild, wait until we talk about Lamborghini. Yep, Lamborghini has stepped fully into the motorhome game with their 2026 model, and as you'd expect, it's outrageous in the best possible way. When you hear the name Lamborghini, you immediately think of speed, performance, and cutting-edge design. Now imagine all of that DNA pumped into a massive motorhome. It's like blending a supercar with a luxury yacht, then putting it on wheels. The exterior screams Lamborghini from a mile away. Sharp lines, aggressive stance, and a look that says, "I own the road." The front end carries over that signature Lambo styling, but scaled up to motorhome size, which is just jaw-dropping. Underneath, Lamborghini has fitted this machine with a hybrid V8 powertrain that produces insane horsepower while still offering efficiency when you need it. Off-road features, oh, they're there. This motorhome can actually handle rough terrains with adaptive suspension, something you'd never expect from a Lamborghini-branded vehicle. Inside, it's pure Italian luxury. Carbon fiber accents, Alcantara upholstery, a state-of-the-art sound system, and interior lighting that makes you feel like you're in a futuristic nightclub on wheels. The driving cockpit is straight-up supercar-inspired, with digital clusters and a steering wheel that looks borrowed from a Huracan. Compared to traditional motorhomes, this thing is on another planet. And yes, it comes at a price that matches its name, well into the multi-million-dollar territory. But for Lamborghini fans, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. Now, if Lamborghini's motorhome wasn't enough to get your jaw on the floor, let's talk about Ferrari's entry into the 2026 lineup. Ferrari, the icon of speed and performance, stepping into the motorhome space is something I honestly didn't see coming. But here we are, and wow, they delivered something truly spectacular. Ferrari's Motorhome keeps true to their DNA, a sleek, aerodynamic red masterpiece that screams elegance and power. The powertrain is a hybrid V12, which sounds insane for a motorhome, but this is Ferrari we're talking about. The moment you fire it up, you get that iconic Ferrari growl, but with the smooth assist of electric motors that make the ride effortless. It's like having a grand tourer and a 5-star hotel rolled into one. On the road, this motorhome isn't just about luxury cruising, it's about performance. You can feel that Ferrari racing heritage even behind the wheel of a vehicle this size. The inside is just as jaw-dropping. Ferrari has gone with a blend of classic Italian craftsmanship and futuristic tech. Hand-stitched leather, polished wood, and an open layout that makes the space feel expansive and luxurious. The kitchen and lounge areas are designed for both comfort and elegance, while the bedroom feels like a master suite you'd expect in a high-end villa. Pricing-wise, Ferrari's motorhome is right up there with Lamborghini's, firmly in the multi-million-dollar range. But again, this isn't just about buying a vehicle. It's about owning a rolling piece of Ferrari heritage. Compared to past motorhome concepts from other luxury brands, Ferrari's version is by far the most performance-focused, and that's exactly what makes it stand out. Of course, when we talk about luxury motorhomes, we cannot skip one of the biggest names in the game, Prevost. Prevost has been synonymous with luxury coaches for decades, and their 2026 motorhome takes their legacy to an entirely new level. Unlike Ferrari or Lamborghini, Prevost isn't dipping a toe in the water. This is their territory, and they're making sure everyone knows it. The exterior design of the 2026 Prevost motorhome is sleek and modern, but also massive. This thing commands attention on the highway, with a design that balances elegance with authority. Under the hood, Prevost has introduced a hybrid diesel-electric system that's built for long-haul comfort and efficiency. It's less about crazy horsepower and more about smooth, reliable performance for those cross-country journeys. Step inside, and you're instantly reminded why Prevost is considered the gold standard in motorhomes. The interior is customizable down to the smallest detail: marble countertops, theater seating, spa-like bathrooms, and even private office space if you need to work on the road. The 2026 model pushes tech integration further, with AI-powered travel assistance, predictive maintenance systems, and energy-efficient climate control. Pricing depends heavily on customization, but expect the base models to start high and skyrocket with options. Compared to their past offerings, the 2026 Prevost is a masterclass in blending tradition with innovation. And last but not least, we've got Volvo stepping into the spotlight with their 2026 luxury motorhome. Now, Volvo might surprise some people, but think about it. Volvo has always been about safety, innovation, and Scandinavian design. Combine that with their expertise in big rigs and transport, and suddenly, a Volvo motorhome makes perfect sense. The exterior is beautifully minimalistic, with clean lines and a design that feels modern but not over the top. It's instantly recognizable as Scandinavian, simple, elegant, and functional. Volvo has fitted this rig with a hybrid engine system that prioritizes efficiency while still delivering enough power for mountain drives and off-road adventures. They've even added advanced autonomous driving features, which is a huge deal. Imagine letting the motorhome handle the long stretches of highway while you relax and enjoy the ride. Inside, it's pure Scandinavian luxury. Think open spaces, natural wood finishes, soft neutral tones, and lots of natural light. The design is calming and focused on well-being. The kitchen is sleek and efficient, the lounge is airy and comfortable, and the bedroom is a minimalist retreat. And, of course, safety features are everywhere, from advanced driver assistance to intelligent emergency systems. Volvo's pricing is set to be competitive, aiming at travelers who want premium quality but without reaching Ferrari or Lamborghini levels. Compared to past luxury RVs, the Volvo motorhome feels refreshing. It's less about excess and more about smart luxury. So, there you have it, the top 5 luxury motorhomes rolling into 2026. From Toyota's futuristic and accessible hybrid rig, to Lamborghini and Ferrari's multi-million-dollar rolling supercars, to Prevost's tradition of customizable luxury, and Volvo's Scandinavian innovation, this lineup shows just how diverse and exciting the future of motorhomes really is. It's crazy to think about how far we've come. 10 or 20 years ago, motorhomes were about practicality first, luxury second. Today, in 2026, we're seeing vehicles that blur the line between homes, hotels, and even supercars. And that's what makes this moment in motorhome history so thrilling. Whether you're a Toyota fan who loves reliability, a Lamborghini or Ferrari fan who wants performance and prestige, a seasoned traveler who swears by Prevost, or someone who loves Volvo's safe and smart design, 2026 has something jaw-dropping for you. The future of travel is here, and it's rolling on wheels that look like they came straight out of tomorrow. Thanks for watching Upnext 227, where the future of motorhomes hits the road first. Minibus Sparkles, if you enjoyed this reveal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next big motorhome drop. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep rolling forward.